Here we have the planes of motion, so the sagittal, frontal, and transverse. Here we have them here. The sagittal plane, transverse plane, and the frontal plane. Each one shows different things. So we have the flexion and extension with the sagittal plane. We have rotation with the transverse plane, and we have abduction and adduction with the frontal plane. Shows this because here we have the shape here. So it's rotation as this can rotate round. And this is flexion and extension because it can show flexion and extension of the arms and legs. And this is abduction that can show abduction and adduction of the arms and legs as well, coming outwards. Then we have the axis of rotation, transverse, vertical, and sagittal. So it is transverse, vertical, and sagittal axis. So basically with this one, imagine that the dotted line here is a needle and we change the person into a gummy bear. So if we did this, we have the needle here, you can rotate the person around like this way. So sort of like a table football person. They rotate when you kick the ball. And then if we had the needle through the head of the gummy bear, like this, they would rotate around this way, like this. So that obviously shows rotation, and the body's rotating around this way. This one shows the flexion and extension, and this one shows the adduction. So this one would move the other way to this one, to the opposite. It would move left and right, so upwards like that, and like that. Sort of in a U type shape. So basically, whilst recording, you would take into note basically the angles, the height of the camera, so that you can capture the performer in full detail and also maintain their movements throughout their jump, so that you don't miss um, anything off. So that was 6.3. That was 6.3 numerical model. Thank you for listening.